Looks like we've got some cold weather coming in. Does that mean in terms of the relationship between gas and oil and the distillates, how does it all change and what's the right trade around it?
Yeah, I'm telling you, Guy, right now you're seeing, again, the dynamics in the marketplace still being disrupted by that disruption in natural gas, and certainly when you see oil coming under some selling pressure. But you basically got some dynamics in the marketplace where you're seeing lower inventories in nat gas, higher expected demand, as you pointed out, due to that cold weather, and we've got higher inventories in oil and lower demand moving forward, at least expected lower demand. So that's the dynamic that you're seeing. So you're seeing that big reversal in the long crude, short nat gas trade being changed around here. As you're seeing now, you're seeing, I think, some algos going into long nat gas, short crude.
How long does that last for? Is that just a short-term flip before the weather gets better, or is that something that you think has legs?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I think it has actually a little more legs in it than maybe what the market's anticipating, due to the fact that, again, that we're seeing, again, 15-year low inventories as far as you look at the nat gas, and the demand continues to be ramped up. You're seeing those weather forecasts changing as well. So, again, it appears that the demand's going to continue. We're going into the extraction period. We're going to have the EIA number for nat gas coming out here shortly. 109 is going to be the build or the draw, it looks like. So, again, that's a triple-digit draw, the earliest triple-digit draw on record for nat gas, if that actually happens. So again, lower demand, lower supply, higher demand for nat gas. I think there's a possibility for this trade to continue moving forward.
If the trade is getting flipped on its head, gas versus oil right now, does that mean people are out of position when it comes to the options market as well? And how are they covering that?
Yeah, well, I think that's been pretty well highlighted. And yes, certain entities appear to have been out of position. You know, again, we've seen this happen in other markets over the years. We saw it in the volatility space in February. You get too many people on one side of the market, particularly when you see that short gamma or short theta position. And if the market really moves in a direction that you're not anticipating, you don't have the stops in place, or you have too much exposure, you know, we're seeing the ramifications of that. And that's why I think we saw that big spike in nat gas yesterday. The short covering is certainly the theme in the marketplace right now, and I think it will continue. So I think that's why you're seeing, again, these dynamics in the oil/nat gas space.